Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me Sravani. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Paneer Manchurian. It's such an easy starter to make it in short time. So one thing I would like to mention here is if your paneer is in deep freezer, just take it out at least 1 hour before making this recipe so that you know it will not trouble in deep frying. Chalo then, let's get started. So for this recipe, in a bowl, let's take half cup of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Also add some chili powder, salt and pepper powder. So just give it a nice mix and then add water gradually. Bake into batter without any lumps. Yeah, see, our batter is now ready without any lumps. Now let's add paneer cubes to this and coat with this batter. Keep this aside for a while. Now heat oil for deep frying coated paneer cubes. Deep fry them till they turn to nice golden brown color. So I'm just detaching them from one another. Now keep a wide pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat. Then I am adding finely chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, chopped capsicum. Just mixing it once. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of lemon juice. You can also add vinegar in this place. Mix it well. Cook this till the sauce gets thicker. Now I am adding fried paneer cubes to this. Just giving it a nice mix. And finally, let's add chopped spring onions. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. So that's it guys, our Paneer Manchurian is now ready to serve.